If you're a fan of crispy sandwiches, quick grilled snacks, or even a good seared steak, this video is for you. Today we're going to check out the top 5 sandwich makers and grills. We'll compare performance, quality, and value for money to help you choose the best one for your needs. And of course, the best of the bunch. I've saved for last, so stick around until the end to find out which one it is. And hey, if any of these catch your eye, check the links in the description for the best prices and grab yours today. Here at the Top by For You channel, we handpick the best products based on quality, value, and customer reviews. So please help the channel grow, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Now, let's get to our list. Chefman Panini Press Grill. Starting off with a super compact option perfect for those with little space, we have the Chefman Panini Press Grill. This model is great if you just need something to make quick sandwiches or simple grills. It has non-stick plates, which make it easy to clean, but the plates aren't removable, so you'll need to be a bit more careful when cleaning. It also doesn't have a temperature control, which might be limiting if you're looking for precision while cooking. But for a simple model, it does a great job of making sandwiches or even basic grilling. The price is very affordable, making it a solid choice, especially if you just want a practical and functional appliance. The floating hinge helps with the sandwich pressure. This model is compact and lightweight and works well for everyday use if you don't need many adjustments. Want to grab it? Check the link below. Hamilton Beach Panini Press. Next, at number 4, we have the Hamilton Beach Panini Press. This model is also quite simple but offers great value for money. It has non-stick plates and folds easily, but like the Chefman, it doesn't have temperature control. The big advantage here is that it's easy to use and heats up quickly, making it perfect for those who don't have much time or patience to adjust the temperature. However, don't expect it to be super versatile. It's great for quick snacks, like grilled cheese, paninis, and even some basic grilling. But if you want more control and variety, keep watching to check out the other options. If you just want to make quick sandwiches with no fuss, this one does the job. The product link is in the description and the pinned comment below. If you like what you've seen so far, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. George Foreman Grill. Coming in at 3rd place, we have the George Foreman Grill, a true classic that became famous for draining fat while you cook. With a 1,200 watt power, it has a tilted platform that helps drain the fat into a separate tray, making it an excellent choice if you're looking for a healthier way to grill your meats, chicken, or even vegetables. With its removable, easy-to-clean non-stick plates, it's also great for lean meats, though the temperature control is limited. It doesn't offer the same versatility as other models, like a 180 degrees opening or the ability to make paninis precisely, so if you're after quick, healthy grilling, it works well for grilling up to 4 servings at a time. The price is also very reasonable, making it a good option for anyone looking to reduce fat in their meals. The product link is in the description and the pinned comment below. Breville Sear and Press Grill. Now, in 2nd place, we have the Breville Sear and Press Grill, which really takes precision and performance to the next level. With digital temperature control, it's perfect for anyone who likes to have full control over what they're cooking. This is especially important when grilling meats and aiming for that perfect doneness. Plus, its 1,800 watt power ensures it heats up quickly, and the 180 degrees opening, along with the floating hinge, expands your cooking options, whether you want a perfectly pressed sandwich or to grill large portions. It also has removable plates, which make it much easier to clean. However, it's not as cheap as the previous options, so if you're willing to invest a bit more, this is an excellent choice for those who want something powerful and versatile. If you like what you've seen, click the link in the description to get yours. Before we move on to the 1st place, if you like what you've seen so far, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Cuisinart Elite Griddler. And at the top of our list, the big winner is the Cuisinart Elite Griddler. If you're after versatility and chef-level performance at home, this model is unbeatable. It has reversible, removable plates, which allow you to use it in different ways, whether as a grill, a panini press, or even a griddle for eggs or pancakes. With adjustable temperature control, you can cook with much more precision, with independent temperature controls for each side. Additionally, its 1,500 watt power ensures it heats up quickly, and the 180 degrees opening makes it easy to cook large portions. The fat drip tray is also a big plus for those looking for healthier meals. The price isn't the cheapest, but the value for money is excellent, especially if you want something that really does it all. Grilling, paninis, sandwiches, meats, and vegetables. It's simply complete and perfect for anyone who loves cooking with a touch of precision. If you like what you've seen, click the link in the description to get yours. So, guys, those were the top 5 sandwich makers and grills. As you saw, there are models for every taste, from the simple and affordable to the more professional and versatile options. Now tell me in the comments, which one would you choose for your kitchen? And don't forget to click the links in the description or pinned comment to check the prices and grab the products at the best deals and promotions. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next videos. Until the next review, and happy shopping!